Hi, this is Carrie Jordan from the Rise Collective, and today I want to talk to you about something which I really love and have also struggled with in the past, which is incorporating magic into your everyday work and your everyday life. Incorporating your womanly wisdom, that's what I like to call it. So, I'm going to go through a few ways that you can weave magic into your goal setting and into your daily work. The first one is, of course, working with the moon cycles to set your goals and to achieve your goals. And as you know, I always say that when we align ourselves with the energies and the cycles of the natural world, we're sending a message to the unseen forces that we're ready to co-create with them. And we also open channels in our own psyches to receive messages and information from the spirit world. So this is very important. That means aligning with the moon cycle and aligning with the cycle of the year and the high holidays such as the equinoxes and the solstices. And you can find more information about this at therisecollective.org. The second way I'm going to share is journaling to uncover your unconscious and increase the probability of your goals coming to fruition. So, write down your dreams, write down your insights, write down your curiosities and your reflections in your journal so that you can synchronize the messages. That's a way that the unseen forces will be co-creating with you through all of those synchronicities, the dreams, the insights, the curiosities, and it's your job to keep track of them. The next way is to meditate, and I have a whole video about meditation. I'll put the link below. This is really important because it has been said that meditation is listening to the divine while prayer is speaking to the divine. So allow yourself to become a witness to your thoughts, and eventually you'll be able to quiet your mind and create space in your brain for creativity and new connections. Next, examine your thoughts and beliefs. Every so often, just sit down with your journal and inventory all the unconscious thoughts and beliefs that are on repeat, and they're incessantly coming up. So what patterns and loops is your mind obsessed with? And this might also be something that you can see from your journaling. Your mindset is incredibly important to your goal setting and your goal achievement, because they lead to emotions, which lead to your actions or reactions, which lead to your results. You can know what your results are if you just look at your thoughts. If you're not tending to your thought garden, you're not going to have the results that you want. That's a guarantee. The next distinction that I want to share with you is the difference between visualizing and visioning. This is something that you can bring into your daily work. So here's the distinction. Visualizing is a mental process which is governed by the conscious mind and thinking and reasoning. Meanwhile, visioning is, like we said, a spiritual process where it's governed by intuition and the superconscious mind. So you want to, again, through journaling and paying attention, you want to train your mind to receive those flashes of inspiration, those messages, and those insights, and make sure to record those in your journal. And the last one is prayer and affirmations. My favorite book about this is called The Works by, I think her name is Frances Scovely. And she talks about casting your burdens to the divine. This is a concept that comes from the Bible. And you can allow your mind to let go of spinning on finding a solution and trust that the issue will be resolved when you cast your burdens to the divine. Let them take care of it. Let your team of angels and guides that's working on your behalf in the other realms take care of whatever the thing is that your mind is spinning on. And in the blog post below, I am putting some different affirmations and prayers that you can say in order to be clear about what you're doing when you cast your burdens. This is a constant process. There's nowhere to get. If you want help with getting clarity on your desire and what you're wanting in your life, go to therisecollective.org/clarity, and there is a whole workbook that's going to help you move through your desire and really get clear on what you're yearning for. And finally, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button below, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post a new video every Thursday. I'll talk to you next time.